everyone, Sabrina and Stefan from Campbell's Freedom Farm. Okay, so we have Stefan's garden fenced in, but now we have to make a gate. We are doing the basic simple gate that anybody could follow. So we're just doing treated lumber, and we need to have it wide enough to go with a wheelbarrow, so roughly 3 foot. So the first thing we do is level it with this. Straight. 2 lines here.
It's real.
This because we're going to glue it, and I want to know where the border will lie.
Yeah, the
Next
border.
step is to do a Z pattern for the strength. So we mark that, and then over here. Okay, the sun's coming out, so it's going to be hard. So now you have your Z pattern. I need to mark that, and let me show you how you glue it, because you don't want to just wad it. You want it so water could drain. All right, before we hook these on, you glue them. You get a heavy-duty exterior that lasts. And remember, the door goes like this. So you're going to glue straight strips, because otherwise water will pool up and rot it. And you want it to be able to drain. So basically, you ready, Stefan?
Yep.
Okay, just start it. Ready? Right there. Gentle, gentle. And just strips like that. Stop here. And that's it. Always pre-drill. That's good. Pull back. All right, so it's done. It's glued in. I did put extra supports because we're going to have 2 hinges and also some handles, and it's just extra support. Okay, grab an end. So let's flip it around. Okay, let's talk handles and hinges. The equipment for outside doors are extremely expensive. So what we did is we went to Restore. Show them the handles for $1. Okay, pick up the 6-inch hinge. So then we have 2 6-inch hinges, but I'll probably put a third. We have a brace for it. Show it to them. Because these are really heavy until they dry. And so I'll put those on, and then we're done. But this is a quick 3-hour deal. I mean, it helps that Stefan helped a lot.
It's real.
It is true. Just make sure you glue these and go straight down so you have drainage, and that's about it. I'll show you when.
The handle.
Yeah, the handles will look great.
But the multi-doorknob handle.
Stop. Alright, the hinges are in. This is a very quick. The longest period of making it is letting the glue dry before we can put the hinges and everything. So it's hooked on one post. I still have to put another post in. But if we could build this gate, anybody could build this gate. And Stefan, what do you think? Anything good about it?
It's nice and sturdy. That's a good thing.
Yeah. I think I will put 1 hinge in the middle, not for weight, just because I think it would look good. So
It would.
yeah. This is Sabrina
And Stefan
from Campbell's Freedom Farm. Please subscribe.
I like and yeah.
Woo!
And
Thumbs
don't
up.
forget to hit the bell button.